Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. This is just going to be a short little fun video. I thought that I would show you what I got in my subscription services for January, give you a little bit of an idea of what I'm planning on reviewing over the next month. I will tell you that I opened my Ipsy bag already because I got it and I was excited and I wanted to see what was in it. So I'll show you what I have and what I'm going to be doing reviews on over the next month. But I also just received my Boxycharm today and I haven't opened that yet. So I'll go through Ipsy first because that one's not as much of a surprise, and then we'll go through Boxycharm and we will see what I get and what I'm going to review. And thank you so much for joining me for this video today. So let's get into Ipsy. So it comes in this little bag. Not my favorite. I'm not so much a neon person, but hey, it's always good for storing things in. And there are some products I got I'm super excited about. Some of them, but hey, it's all fun. Actually, I was pretty happy with this month. There's nothing in here that I really looked at and thought I'm never going to use that. Let's start out with this product from the Balm. I got a little mini sample of the Mary Luminizer, and this is a highlighter, and it is sort of one of the original highlighters. Like, this was the highlighter that was out there before anybody else started doing highlighters. I feel like between the Mary Luminizer and like Becca's Champagne Pop with Jaclyn Hill, those are like some of the originals. And I was actually pretty happy with the little size of the sample in here. Usually the Balm samples are like half that size, and considering it is a highlighter and it's gonna last a while, I thought this was really cute. And already I have traveled and taken this with me because it's such a good size for travel. So I have been using this and trying it out already. The next thing that I received is this Ciate eyeliner. You can see that I have not opened this yet. This is called the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. I am sure this is going to be a liquid brush liner and it's probably going to be black. I always enjoy getting those and trying those out. I have really liked Ciate products in the past, so I'm looking forward to trying this. For the Mary Luminizer and the Fierce Flicks, I'm not sure about doing reviews. They're not always the most exciting for highlighters and for eyeliners, but hey, let me know if you're interested in seeing them, and I'll also see what I think of the products if I think it's interesting enough to do a review on. The next thing I received is this product from Seraphim Botanicals, and Seraphim Botanicals is all over the subscription services lately. I've reviewed a couple of their products before, a blush and something else. Last month I received a lip scrub from them that I didn't do a review on because I didn't think it was going to be very exciting. And now we have this raisin and cream long-lasting creamy lip stain. So I am curious about this to see how it works. It feels a little on the flimsy side, but it's a pretty enough color, although the color of the actual crayon looks very different than the packaging. So I'm going to be curious to see what that actually looks like. I'm probably most excited about the last two products in here. I received a charcoal wash-off mask. This is from Global Beauty Care, and I think it's neat the way it came in this little sort of squeezy package here. I always like doing a good mask. I always like having that spa feeling, and I like testing out masks on camera. I think it's kind of a fun thing to do, so I was excited to get this. And probably the thing that I am most excited about is this Briogeo Scalp Revival. It's a shampoo, but it's a charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. I really like Briogeo products, and this just seems strange, like an exfoliator for your scalp. Like, aren't you, to me that sounds like when you go to the beach and get sand in your hair. So I am super curious about this and I'm looking forward to doing a review on it. So that was everything from Ipsy, a pretty good haul overall. I'm excited about trying these products. I'm excited about reviewing some of these products, maybe all of these products, who knows? So that is Ipsy, and now let's get into the surprise of Boxycharm because I have no idea what to expect in here. Okay, so the theme is Rock 2018. Okay, I'm not gonna look at what's on there so that it's still a surprise. Oh, I think I saw one thing, but that's okay. I'm thinking I'm pretty excited. So we have a Dr. Brandt product here, and this is kind of cool. A Pores No More Luminizing Primer from Dr. Brandt. I like the Dr. Brandt products I've tried so far. It's been the exfoliating scrubs that I've tried so far and I really like. So I'm interested in trying a primer that is both luminizing and I guess pore filling, since it says Pores No More. This sounds right up my alley, especially in the winter, so I'm super excited about this. This is like 10 out of 10 excitement. Okay, there is a Makeup Geek product, a full spectrum eyeliner pencil from Makeup Geek. I'm curious about what color this is in. It's called Plumeria, so it looks like a plum color, and that's interesting because I don't have a lot of colored eyeliners. So I'm excited about that. That is another, like, maybe not 10 out of 10, maybe like 9 or 8 out of 10 level of excitement about that. I have 4 more products in here. Oh my goodness, this is a good month. Okay, just reaching in and grabbing the next thing. Okay, I have something here from Girlactic. It's a matte lip paint. Awesome. And it looks like it's in a really pretty color, and it's pretty packaging. And yeah, like that looks like a nice nude color. That is called Posh. Ooh, I have never tried a Girlactic product, which makes me very excited to review it because I like getting and trying new brands. So I'm all over this. This is like 10 out of 10, excited to get it product. Wow, there's so much this month. I'm gonna go for an It Cosmetics product that's here. It's a Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, brow pencils I don't find to be the most exciting thing in the world, but let's pop this open. It says it's in the shade Universal Taupe. Okay, it's got, oh, that's a very thick pencil. It's sort of an oval shape, which is interesting, and I'm hoping this is, yep, spoolie on that end, which I enjoy. Okay, It Cosmetics, we'll see. I'll see. I never mind trying a new brow product. It's not the most exciting. This is like maybe a 5 out of 10 level of excitement. I think it's interesting to try stuff from It Cosmetics. I know they are generally a pretty good brand, also have some inclusiveness issues, but I have a lot of brow pencils, but still looking forward to trying it. So we have a product from Pure, and this is Bronze and Brighten. It says it's a cheek palette, Blush and Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. Whoa, that is much more bright than I pictured it being. Whoa. That is like a gold highlight going on there. See how bright that is? Ooh, that's also bright. All of these are. Let me just do a quick. Whoa. That middle shade. Okay. I think that's gonna deserve a review because that was much more exciting looking than I expected it to be opening it up. That right there is like a level 8 out of 10 excitement. And then finally, there's a Crown Glam Metals palette. Okay, so let's swatch 2 of the shades that are in here. Rebel and Heavy Metal. These feel really nice and soft. I love how the mirror is a little guitar. So, ooh. Once again, those look pretty fun. So we're definitely doing a review on that too, and playing around and making some looks and see how those eyeshadows perform. 10 out of 10 on the palette. This is a really good month. It seems like everybody's like putting their best foot forward for January because that is 6 good full-size products. That is amazing. So I did get this later in the month. I received this on the 24th, but it's worth it to wait for products that are this good. This is a good value month. So super excited to all these reviews. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below what you are most interested in having reviews on so that I could maybe do some of those earlier. And I'd love to hear what you got in your subscription boxes. Did you get the same things? What products did you get? I love hearing from you in the comments, and I do try to respond to every comment that I get. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll make my face pop up right here. I'll also put one of my old videos down here so you can spend a bit more time with me today, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.